Hey everyone, it's Jack and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a clean with me video. Haven't done one of these in a while, so let's get cleaning. And today we're doing like a Sunday reset. So first went to Target real quick to grab some cleaning supplies because we were short. And I don't know if this is just me, let me know if any of you do this too, but I always like to buy things in pairs. Like I always have to have at least two of the cleaning items that I use at all times. I don't know why, but also when you do that at Target, there's a lot of like promos that go on, and you get a lot of like $5 gift cards in return. So like that's kind of cool. That's not why I do it, but that's kind of a little bonus. But anyways, the house is a mess. I do like everyday tidy up, but this is like kind of what it looks like at the end of the week, and it's a little bit crazy. So we're gonna clean everything, tidy up, and really do a full Sunday reset so that way when Monday starts, we have a clean house, clean mind, happy spirit. It's so much better when you have a clean house, better for your mental health, better for your productivity. If you work from home, all my work from home people, you know how it is. If you have a dirty house, your work is just chaotic, it's messy, it's unorganized. So having a clean house really makes such a huge difference. So here's just all these clips of how dirty our house is right now. So we're gonna clean it all up. No biggie, no big deal. So yeah, this is just kind of the reality of what it looks like at the end of the week. I think the worst thing out of everything though is the fact that there is little piles of clothes in every corner of the house, just scattered everywhere. So let's just go ahead and start with that and start with the laundry. Yeah, see, even Zoe says, get these clothes out of here. So we are going to be doing laundry like all throughout the day because we're going to do a couple of loads here, but I'm going to start by putting a new liner in the trash can because we had to take out the trash because it was full. And now I'm just going to quickly organize all of the new cleaning supplies that I bought. We just store them in these little bins under the sink. So that's where all of our cleaning supplies go, and just kind of organizing it a bit, and then we can actually begin cleaning. So here we go, gathering our first round of clothes and starting the first load of laundry. We have our laundry in a little like closet here in our hallway, so just putting that in and then folding the clean clothes that were in the dryer. And so I think the biggest tip is folding it right there, like as you're pulling them out of the dryer, because it's like honestly the only way it's gonna get folded, because if you put it and set it aside and say, oh, I'll fold it later, it never gets done. So now I'm gonna have a liquid IV. I made a mess here. If you haven't tried liquid IV, you can use my code JACK to get 20% off. Definitely try it, you'll love it. I drink one every single day. And then I'm putting the Clorox wipes away. So I had one in the kitchen, one in our guest bathroom, and then one in the master bathroom, but Johnny lives in there. So, okay, this video is going way too fast. So I did another load of laundry. I tidied up the trash from our dining room table, and now I'm putting away all of the dishes so then I can like clean up in the kitchen area. And now for dishes, oh, all of my Asian friends are about to kill me right now, but I have just been throwing the dishes in the dishwasher and turning on the dishwasher every single night. I know. But somebody told me that it actually is more water to hand wash every single one than just turning on the dishwasher. And low-key, I've been testing it by like looking at our water bill each month, and there is no difference. So you know what, I'm gonna save myself the time and hassle of actually hand washing dishes and just throw them in the dishwasher. So that's been like the best thing ever. So anyways, I'm wiping down the little countertop area right here. I hate these little tile, like this tile, I don't know, what do you call it? This tile countertop, because it's so hard to clean within like those little cracks. I feel like I need a scrubber, but not easy to clean on the daily, but it is what it is. And then cleaning the stove. And I like this one because it's super easy to clean. The like tops come off really easy. So this is nice and easy to clean. But the countertops, yeah, those tiles are the worst. moving on to another load of laundry. Gotta keep it going, keep it going. So again, folding as I go. And then, as you know, we recently moved into our apartment, so there's just a few little things here and there that we're still putting together to make our home feel like a home. And what I'm working on here is actually our new bar cart that we ordered recently. We got this from Wayfair, I believe, and it came in a few different colors, but we got this black one. I think this is black, but it definitely looks like more like gunmetal gray. But I'm setting this up. Normally Johnny would be doing this, but the day I was filming this video, he had a back injury, so he couldn't do it. But normally Johnny would be the one building all of the things for the house, but I just happened to put this together for him, and here is what it looks like. We still got to decorate it, but this is just kind of what we put together. And that's kind of all of the clips that I got, because I forgot that I was filming Clean With Me, so I forgot to show myself like vacuuming, mopping, so now you're just seeing a bunch of after shots. So that was this quick little Sunday reset video. I hope it encourages you to spend some time on your Sunday just tidying up and cleaning your space, so that way you can have a great start to your week. And I'm telling you, it makes a huge difference in your productivity, your mental health, like just everything. So go clean your house right now. Go clean your house. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.